I'm Dr. Keshav Malhotra. I'm the director of Rainbow IVF Agra. I'm also the director of Malhotra Embryology Training Academy. I'm currently the co-chair of SIG Embryology for Aspire and the second vice chair of embryology for the Indian Society of Assisted Reproduction. When we talk about reference indicators, these are related to all the eggs that are coming into the laboratory. So anything which relates to the quality of the oocyte, we are going to basically assess it through a reference indicator. When we talk about performance indicators, it basically is all the data that should be documented within your laboratory. It's not necessarily that you're going to really assess this data on a day-to-day basis, but this is something that you would want to document within your laboratory and store this data for later use. And when we talk about key performance indicators, now this is the core business of an ART laboratory. Now without these key performance indicators, which are 12 in number, any laboratory would not be able to monitor the quality of its performance. And that's something that each and every lab director should actually ensure that their lab is following.